Today I thought I'd show you what it's like to move into a construction project. There's a water tank in the front yard attached to a trailer. Let's go inside and see what kind of chaos is brewing in here. This is the living room. As you can see, the fireplace precariously positioned and being used. We have a scaffolding in the living room. We have a mostly complete kitchen with new lighting. Everything's unpacked. Semi-sealed. By the way, haven't yet determined potability on water, but the sample went to the lab yesterday, so we shall find out if we'll poison ourselves living here. Look, it's somebody who's been in an attic. There's the evidence as well. We do have washing facilities for the clothing. We've got some general chaos going on back here, as usual. There's a freezer being cleaned. There's yet another pile of debris still sitting there. So, the question is, where are they sleeping? Is it on the new roof? I don't think so. Is it in this room? No way. This is now become aptly named the tool room. And the shitter for the construction workers. This is the hermetically sealed sleeping quarters, which is freshly painted. No closet doors yet. Need a new light fixture. I haven't found the perfect. And the shambles of a restroom, which hasn't yet been painted, but we're very close to that work. So yeah, that is life for the week that we have been moved in.